Hello, today I will guide you on how to turn on the mobile hotspot on Windows 11. Step 1, open Windows Settings. Right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 2, access mobile hotspot settings. In the Settings window, find and click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. Find Mobile Hotspot, then click to open its settings. Step 3, configure Wi-Fi hotspot. In the mobile hotspot section, click on the Share My Internet Connection from menu to select the network source, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. Click the Edit button to customize the Wi-Fi hotspot details. In the Edit Network Info window, you can set the network name, Wi-Fi name. Set the network password, Wi-Fi security password. Choose network band. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 4, enable Wi-Fi hotspot. In the mobile hotspot window, toggle the mobile hotspot switch to on. Now, your Windows 11 computer has become a Wi-Fi hotspot. Step 5, connect a device to the Wi-Fi hotspot. On the device you want to connect, for example, an Android phone or iPhone, open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi and look for the network name you set in. Enter the password you created, then tap Connect to join the network. After connecting, open a web browser and try accessing a website or searching on Google. Step 6, check connected device information. In the mobile hotspot window, you can view the list of connected devices. Each device will display its IP address and MAC address. This helps you monitor which devices are using your Wi-Fi hotspot. You have successfully created a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11 and can now share your internet connection with other devices.